Hi, this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Thanks for checking out this video and watching it. Today I'm going to help you determine the grade of coins. So we're going to take a mercury dime, 1916 to be specific. We're going to compare it to PCGS photograde, which is a website where they have photos of graded coins, and then you can match it up to your coin, the photos, and get an idea of the grade. It's not exact, but it'll give you roundabout figures so you can know approximately what grade it is. So we're going to pull up the coin first. I'm on landofcoins.com, and this is a self-service online rare coin auction website that you can put your coins on the website, and you can also buy coins. We're going to go to dimes. Let's pull up a picture of the coin first, and then we will compare it to PCGS photograde. So let's pull it up. This is the one. Now the person who put this coin on the website for sale says it's an F12 grade. So we're going to compare it. It's not a certified coin, okay? And this is it. So looking at it briefly, it does look like it might be a 12. Let's minimize this and go to PCGS and click dimes. So this is the photograde website. You just go to Google PCGS photograde, you can pull it up and click the coin you're looking for, which mercury dimes. Down here under dimes, here's the grading scale. So here's our coin on the right side, the obverse, and we're going to scroll down because it's definitely not a mint state. You can see that. Okay, and you can see all the grades here, but we're going to jump. Probably this one will get us there. There we go. You can see right now we're looking at, so from V10 up to VF20, they have pictures on our page here, and it's going to fall into this category, I can tell by looking at it. But I always like to start with the worst one first of what I think it might not be. And let's look at the 10. Let's see if we're correct. So looking at the wing up on the mercury, you can see, see on the bottom on the right, the top 3 wings, they're pronounced on ours, but the bottom 3, 4, 5, you can see those too, where these are really worn. So, and just in the center, there's less detail. So it's definitely not a 10. We know that. So let's go to a 12, which is what the person said this one was. And you know, it's pretty close. You could see the first 4 wings up here on the right, but down here there's still more detail than what PCGS is showing on this one. And in the center near the temple, you can see ours has a bit more detail, and definitely on the bottom, down at the bottom of the hair. So, I mean, it's close to a 12. So I'm automatically thinking it's going to be a 15. This is a 15. You can see the wings are pretty pronounced here. You can make them out right here on the bottom 5th and 6th wing. The temple, you can see there's a bit more detail here along the temple, just like on the one that we're looking at. And the hairline down at the bottom, except there is more detail down here at the bottom of the hair. And might be even a, let's look at the 20 just to make sure. 20, looking good in the center. No, the center right here around the ear does look like it has more detail. So I don't think it's a 20. So yeah, I would say a 15. You'd be safe to say that this is a F15. He has it at 20, F15, it's not that far away, so he's close, but I do believe it's a 15 personally. Let's look at the reverse now, because that's the obverse. Now we'll look at the reverse, and you can see where you really want to look for are these wooden ties that are tied together on this, on the back of the mercury dime. The more lines you see, the better grade it is. Also, this E pluribus unum tends to wear out. So when you're getting into the lower grades, that might not even hardly be able to be read, but that does wear out quickly. So let's look at the 10. We started there last time and see exactly what I'm saying. See the E pluribus on this 10? It's fading, it's wearing out. whereas on ours, very easy to see. And also you can see the wood ties, the lines, a lot of it's missing. We have more lines on the bottom than this coin on the left, so it's definitely not a 10, which also on the front we said that. Let's look at the 12. Look at the lines on the back of the post, the wood that's tied together, and also the ribbons. We can look at the ribbons. There is more, on ours there is more lines on the back of the post. Whoops. There is more lines on the back of the post. And the ribbon is more defined too on ours, as opposed to the bottom ribbon here. And also the E pluribus is kind of fading, especially on the bottom here. So I would say it's more than a 12. Here's the 15. Now we're getting closer. See this ribbon on the bottom? How it matches this one? The ribbon in the middle, the ribbon on top. I mean, that's pretty close. E pluribus is nice and pronounced on the 15, just like on ours. Let's look at the 20 just to see. Whoops. On the bottom here. The ribbon on the top here on the 20 is definitely more detailed than the one that we have. Names similar. Ribbon down here. You can see the line in the middle of the ribbon more on the 20 than you can on ours. And you can see and more lines too in the center here. So definitely I would say F15 front, F15 on the reverse. So the 20, not quite. The 12, I think it's better than that. So that's how you get an idea of how a coin is. And just to let you know, let's go extreme. Let's look at an XF40. Let's look at the reverse of that. See how the lines, you can see them all. And this is a 40 grade. So easily you can look at this and say, no, the coin we have is not a 40 grade. So that's an extreme example. And then we can go the opposite. We can go, we looked at the 10 before. Let's just look at like a 4 to give you an extreme example. See how there's more detail on this post than on a good 4 grade. You can see only one line, so definitely not a 4. So it does give you a close example. And then of course you send it into PCGS and they'll tell you what it is. But you can know what to expect. Okay, so this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that helps you grade coins. We'll be doing more of these videos, so check it out if you haven't already. landofcoins.com, the website, so you can buy and sell your coins. Thanks for watching.